Okay, our plant of the day is a plant called Illicium Florida Sunshine. And this is actually one of our introductions. This is a native plant, but it's native only to small regions of north central Florida. And you would think, well, a plant from Florida is not going to be hardy anywhere north of Florida. And the reality is it's quite a bit hardy north of that. What we realized early on is that plants in the northern part of Florida are glaciation dumps. So years ago, back when we had glaciers, they were pushing things down as it got colder. And even though they didn't come down to North Carolina, the plants retreated further south to a warmer area, i.e. Florida. And this one got stuck there. Now normally this grows in very low depressions and it's typically green in color. So some 20 years ago, I was visiting a wholesale nursery in Florida who grew things in hundreds of thousands of seedlings and noticed these 3 yellow ones in his field, only a few inches tall. And of course, he said he wasn't interested in them and they'd just get plowed up. So we brought them home, selected this one out, and this became Florida Sunshine. It's a really neat plant. In the summertime, it goes almost a chartreuse. But in the cold of winter, the leaves just brighten to this almost screaming yellow. It's really quite incredible. The flowers on this are sort of indescript. They're very small. You'll see them in spring, so they're not on there now. The coolest thing about this, other than the color and the fact that it's evergreen through the winter, is the amazing fragrance. It has this wonderful scent of anise. And so it's always fun to have people over, crush it. Don't tell them what it is and let them try to guess and figure it out. This is the original plant. So this is now sold all over the world. This is our most famous introduction ever. And you can see this mature plant's about 10 to 12 feet tall and about the same width. This has never been pruned. So this is what it would look like if you put it in your garden and never touched it, which is what we hope people will do with it. But we hope you'll find this a very interesting evergreen to add to your gardens. We'll certainly go up into the cold parts of 7 and maybe into a warm zone 6.